To the naked eye, this might look like a regular cemetery. All the regular tombstones, all the regular graves. But in fact, it is right next door to this old church. And what's inside this old church? You might wonder. No, it's not full of crucifixes and pews and Bibles. In fact, it's full of odd stuff, because this, my friends, is the Oddmall. And as you can see, this is the Oddmall outpost, which is full of art, oddity, and awesomeness. An overflowing cornucopia of creativity, featuring the works of hundreds of innovative, imaginative, and original artists and crafters. Here, weirdness is a virtue. Imagination is unleashed. Ideas are shared. Fantasy is cherished. And all people are welcome. And the art even continues out front here, where they have a toilet with a plant growing out of it. Probably look cooler in the spring and summertime because it's dead now. But still, pretty interesting. Here's the entryway for the Oddmall. I really dig the blue lighting here, as well as this monster sporting the Marge Simpson haircut. Even the stairs to the front entryway are pretty awesome. Look at that. All the different art in here. Look at that guy up there. Look at that elf. Pretty awesome. Look at this. Pretty freaking cool. Oh, that's cool. It's like a tiki head. Look at this monster. That's really awesome. A skeletal unicorn. Really freaking cool. And even this pond has eyes. It's a crab. Oh, and there's turtles in there. You little guys. Aren't you a friendly little turtle? Look at skulls here. They're made out of soap. Yeah, they're made out of soap. That's pretty sweet. And elixirs. That's pretty cool. Oh, I love these monsters here too. All their buttons. Check out these buttons. Really, really cool. I love these monsters. The eyeballs. That's cool. Look at that guy. Like a, this right here is like a robot head. Look at the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Like this individual artwork. And spider. Even the stuffed animals here are sweet. Look at this guy with the one eye. One-eyed purple people eater. That's funny. I like that fish too. And the sign. Shoplifters will be fed to something horrible. Look at that piece of machinery with that light bulb on it. I love this. This is really cool too. All these unique gadgets and gizmos. Look at this alien. Standing tall over everyone. Like this monster here too, this three-eyed monster. Everywhere you turn in this place is awesome. Look at that guy. Look at this monster here. It's like a monster tree. So freaking cool. Let's take another look at this tree. The art in here is so unique and different and awesome. Can't forget about this one-eyed creature. To quote Brick from Anchorman, I love lamp. And I love this bear. I just love bears, and this bear is really, really cool. Oh, and there's that bear from that picture. Cool bear. It looks very, very cuddly. Definitely worth the trip. Look at this creature. I'd love to decor my house with this. Look at this lamp. There's some pretty sweet looking lamps here too. Look at this guy. Love his glowing eyes. And look at this frame. It's like slime. Look at this skull, the antlers. See all the eggs, the broken eggs. Maybe that's where the monsters escaped from. Yeah, the toilet here with the slime coming out of it. Check out this lady robot here. Or it could be a man just with curly hair. I like this skull. Native American style. Just the art in here is beautiful. I like that Spider-Man. This one's really cool looking too. It's like clear. And this one with all the eyes. I can't leave out this kick-ass mural. Look at this thing. That's so cool. It's like a whole wall full of Star Wars. They got helmets up there. Robot. Salacious Crumb. Love that dragon. As well as this golem. Check out this lizard. Bearded dragon. I used to have a bearded dragon. Bearded dragons are so cool. What's up, guy? Get around it there. Can you get up on that rock? This place has got everything. That's a cool looking lizard. Very colorful. Check out the snake. It's all curled around here in this corner. You see the tip of his nose. There's another snake in here too. I love all these snakes and lizards around here. Very cool. And check this guy out. He's like a very decorated barbarian. I like this old Frankenstein mask. Big fan of those retro Halloween stylings. Here's some more retro Halloween with this painting here. The devil and creepy clowns. This head is pretty cool too, made out of corks with a lamp on the top of it. It's a big frog. It's got a big head. The big gaping mouth. Love this like slime coming down this guy with all his eyeballs. Hey little guys, having some lunch. Just swimming around, baking in the sun. Alright guys, it's been fun. We'll see you real soon. Alright guys, and that is the Oddmall. A very, very cool store here in Green, Ohio, right next to Akron. I couldn't leave there empty-handed because that place is so freaking cool. So I did end up getting this button here, which is pretty awesome too. Monster, drinking some tacos. Pretty epic place. Definitely recommend it if you're in the area and you're into some unique and cool stuff. Check it out. There's lizards, there's snakes, there's tons of artwork, tons of cool stuff to buy. Definitely check it out. Comes highly recommended. We'll see you guys soon. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Near and Far Explorers.